First on our list is none other than Shiba Inu itself. Shiba Inu coin, the Dogecoin competitor, which is based on the same breed of dog, is continuing to soar. As of Friday afternoon, it is valued at $0.000072, after reaching a record high of $0.000077 earlier in the day. The meme cryptocurrency has surged by a ridiculous 60 million% over the last year. Marie Tatiboué, chief marketing officer of crypto exchange Gate.io, told The Sun she expects the Shiba excitement to flatten somewhat. "I do see some correction coming in the near term as the hype dies down a bit," she said. However, Jordan McCreary, founding partner of Ingrained Media, is far more bullish. "I believe Shiba has some real potential to grow from its fraction of a cent amount to 1 cent or greater," he said. "We may see price correction before another pump. Also, look out for the news for Robinhood listing, as this will trigger price for sure. If this happens, we'll certainly set a new all-time high and kill a few zeros along the way." Next on our list is Solana. Solana quickly burst onto the scene in 2021, rising from obscurity. Sol had a 0.01% market share to start the year, to become one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap by September. Like Ethereum, Solana has become a leader in DeFi, where users can create decentralized applications, or dApps for short, that cut out traditional financial gatekeepers like exchanges, brokers, clearinghouses and banks themselves. Novelty isn't always a plus, but it is with Solana. The Ethereum-like network has been quick to attract quality engineering talent due to the underlying Rust programming language that's extremely easy to use. Two other improvements Sol has over ETH: the network boasts both faster speeds and much lower transaction fees. Solana's price is up about 100-fold in 2021 alone, roaring from $1.51 to more than $185. If the bull run continues, it will hit $230 easily. Moving on, Chainlink. Chainlink is unique compared to other blockchain projects. The business model is solely focused on the creation of smart contracts for the outside world. Chainlink hopes to decentralize the internet to bridge the gap between blockchains and the applications that exist in the real world. In simple words, Chainlink intends to apply smart contracts power to the real world. Smart contracts may react to changes in asset values, global events, and API queries. The potential of Chainlink appears to be boundless, and many of the best DeFi apps pay exorbitant amounts for the Link token. The Chainlink price today is $29 and it hasn't pumped as others have, but many investors believe that a big pump is coming for Chainlink and it could hit $90 by end of 2021. Not financial advice. Another undervalued crypto would be Vectorspace AI. Vectorspace AI is a machine learning and financial informatics product providing alternative datasets and a feature engineering platform. Vectorspace AI is a machine learning blockchain-focused software development team founded 2018. Vectorspace AI maintains a deep understanding of the financial markets, having developed algorithms for quantitative information arbitrage opportunities along with running public companies as well as advising hedge funds. As of Q3 2019, the Vectorspace AI platform has been registered by 300 enterprise customers that include machine learning, ML, companies, hedge funds, trading desks, asset management companies, technology partners, and data vendors. While data might be the new oil, the dataset is the refined gasoline that powers every machine learning, ML, and AI operation. Keep this to your watch list, and many experts believe that it may hit $30 by end of 2021. Best for last, it is none other than Cardano. Although not quite in Ethereum or Bitcoin's league, Cardano is an obligatory nominee for the best crypto to buy. It's the third largest by market cap next to Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's younger than both Bitcoin and Ethereum, with the first ADA, the local currency on the Cardano blockchain, appearing in September 2017. Cardano's appeal is multifaceted. It was founded by one of Ethereum's co-founders, Charles Hoskinson, giving it instant credibility, And unlike ETH, it also has a hard cap on the number of coins that can exist, at 45 billion. Another advantage over many other cryptos, Cardano uses a proof-of-stake protocol to incentivize users to create new blocks, a process that some experts estimate is 20,000 times more energy efficient than Bitcoin's proof-of-work algorithm. This is considered one of the safest cryptos out there to invest in. If the bull run continues, may it hit an all-time high of $3. Lastly, crypto market is very volatile. As a result, you must do your research thoroughly before you spend your hard-earned money on cryptocurrencies. This video is only for educational purposes only. Happy investing!